This is Samsung Galaxy F14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So, as you can clearly see, my parental controls are indeed active. So from here, you will need to launch the General Settings app, then enter the Google category over here. Then go for the Manage Your Google Account button right below the account itself. Then open the Data and Privacy page, scroll it all the way down, go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Then in order to continue, we will need to enter the password to the Google account. Then scroll the following Delete Your Google Account page all the way down, check those two boxes and tap at the Delete Account button once again to confirm your, intention. From here, the parental controls were successfully deactivated, so let me quickly demonstrate that to you. So I will re-enter the Google category. As you can see, there is no Google account linked, as well as if I will open up parental controls, there will be none. The only last petty thing that we have to do is to recover or restore the Google account we have just deleted, which you can very easily do by signing into any Google app with it. So in here, let me quickly enter my email address. Then you should get the following message identifying that you did everything right. From here, follow this message by typing in your account password. Nine out of 10 times or so, you will get the following something went wrong message. That's completely fine. That's a normal thing to see and get. So just re-enter your credentials one more time. So email address, then follow it by typing in or entering the password for the Google account. And as you can see now, it led us through no problem. So just finish the login, usual Google login process, accept all the terms, all the services and what's not. And as you can see, the Google account was successfully recovered. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.